Today, we're going to show you how to install the GE window air conditioner with heat pump and inverter. Register your product and connect your product to Wi-Fi. This video will provide 7 easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions to properly install the air conditioner. We'll also review how to connect to Wi-Fi through the Smart HQ app to take advantage of the smart features of this unit. Register your product by either scanning the QR code on the product registration card or the product itself. Another easy option is to register online at geappliances.com/register. The first step is to measure the window and determine installation location. These instructions are for a standard double-hung window. You will need to modify them for other types of windows. The air conditioner can be installed without the side curtain panels if needed to fit in a narrow window. See the window opening dimensions. All supporting parts must be secured to firm wood, masonry, or metal. The electrical outlet must be within reach of the power cord. The second step is to prepare the air conditioner. Install the top mounting rail with 3 Type A screws from the outside of the case. Apply the weather seals provided to the top and sides of the window to the seal around the perimeter of the air conditioner. Cut and apply the weather strip to the front and edge of the window frame. Cut and apply weather strip to the back edge of the windowsill. Cut and apply a weather strip to the side of the curtain frame. Slide the side curtain panels into the side panel rails. Slide left and right side curtain frames into top and bottom rails. Make sure that side curtains snap into side of the frames. Step 4. Install the air conditioner in the window. Mark the center of the window. Set the air conditioner in the window so that it is centered. Place the air conditioner so that the front edge of the bottom mounting rail is against the back edge of the sill. Bring the window down so that the front edge of the top mounting is in front of the window. Make sure that the air conditioner is level or tilting slightly to the outside. Extend the curtain panels until they fill the window. Mark the location of the holes in each corner. Use a drill and a 1/8 drill bit to drill pilot holes. Use 4 Type B screws to secure the side panels in place. Step 5. Secure the window air conditioner. Loosen the screw on the right-hand side of the air conditioner near the bottom. Slide a side bracket over the screw so that the bracket is resting on the windowsill. Tighten the screw. Use a 1/8 drill bit to drill a starter hole in the windowsill through the holes in the side bracket. Use 4 Type B screws to attach the side bracket to the windowsill. Repeat the side bracket installation on the left side. Measure and cut adhesive foam back to sheet. Apply overside curtain and frame. Step 6. Install window lock bracket and foam top window gasket. Use Type B screw to install the window lock bracket on top of the bottom window. Cut the foam top window gasket to the window width. Stuff the foam between the glass and the window to prevent air and insects from getting into the room. To enjoy the many benefits of the smart features of this product, it must be connected. Follow the instructions on the included Smart HQ guide to begin monitoring and controlling your air conditioner from anywhere. Visit geappliances.com and click on Smart Appliances to learn more.